Hi, welcome to the Express Legal Funding channel. Today, we're talking about pre-settlement funding in California.
If you've been in a California car accident, the physical injuries are often only the beginning. While your lawsuit makes its way through the courts, everyday bills and medical expenses continue to pile up. You don't have to wait for the final verdict to get relief. You can receive a portion of your expected settlement today to cover your immediate living expenses. Before applying, you need two things: an active California personal injury claim and a lawyer representing your case. Understanding how to access this capital takes you out of a vulnerable waiting period and puts you in a position of financial strength. Pre-settlement funding is a non-recourse cash advance, which operates entirely differently than a traditional bank loan. There are no monthly payments, your credit score is never checked, and absolutely zero out-of-pocket costs. Insurance companies offer lowball settlements, hoping financially strained plaintiffs will accept less than they deserve just to stay afloat. Securing a cash advance gives you a solid foundation. It removes the immediate pressure to pay rent or buy groceries, allowing you to reject low offers. If your lawsuit is ultimately lost, you owe absolutely nothing back to the funding company. The financial risk is entirely on them. This advance provides the immediate cash needed for survival. It also buys your attorney the necessary time to negotiate fair compensation. Step 1 is submitting a free application. You can do this online or over the phone. You only provide basic case details and your attorney's contact information. Your credit history and current employment status are skipped entirely. Step 2 is the case review and evaluation phase, which requires no work from you. The funding company contacts your attorney directly to gather essential documents, such as the police report and your medical records. Underwriting specialists review these files. They base their approval on who is at fault, the strength of the evidence, and the estimated settlement value. Because the funding company coordinates directly with your lawyer, they ensure the cash advance is safely scaled to match the actual value of your claim. Step 3 is approval and contract signing. In California, this step includes strict consumer safety guardrails. The California Consumer Legal Funding Act requires all contracts to be written in plain, transparent language, so you know exactly what you are agreeing to. Your attorney must review the terms and sign a written acknowledgement. If they do not sign this acknowledgement, the contract is entirely invalid. The law provides two specific financial protections. You have a 5-business-day window to cancel the agreement without penalty, and fees cannot accumulate beyond 36 months. Step 4 is receiving your money. Once all parties sign the contract, the funds are usually sent within 24 to 48 hours. The money is delivered via direct deposit or check, and you can spend it immediately on everyday necessities. These state regulations ensure that you get fast financial relief while being protected from hidden clauses or endless fee cycles. Step 5 is the final resolution of your personal injury case, and it features a completely hands-free repayment process. This chart shows how the payout is handled. When you win, the settlement check goes directly to your attorney. They pay their legal fees, satisfy the predetermined funding amount, and then disperse the remaining majority directly to you. Because this transaction happens strictly through your legal representation, you never have to wire money from your personal bank account. This 5-step process delivers immediate cash for your daily survival, while giving your attorney the essential negotiating time required to win the maximum payout. And because it is a non-recourse advance, an unsuccessful lawsuit means the risk falls entirely on the funding company, leaving you debt-free. You can begin the free application online or over the phone 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Leveraging pre-settlement funding turns a prolonged legal wait from a test of financial endurance into a fair, fully funded fight.
Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos for more legal tips and pre-settlement funding topics. See you again soon on the Express Legal Funding channel.